Welcome back to our video. This week we're going to have a few different things. One is kind of a time lapse of what the farm or this area where the platform is, what it looked like May in 2025, and then what it looks like now. So you'll see kind of a difference.
Yeah, some work that Bernardo did on the land, leveling some parts, and we have a big review as well.
Yeah, very, very exciting.
Yeah, he changed the way of us arriving and leaving the property. So stick with us and hope you enjoy today's episode.
Yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, it's the day before the guys pick up all the debris from our farm. So I thought I'd take a video and show what it currently looks like. This is the old barn that we tore down and walls that kept the cows in. It's been a mess like this for a year, so we're looking forward to see this old wall here. All of this to be gone. We're gonna take down this wall or this hill right here, make it so it's level. And then make it like a retaining wall. And then we're gonna have this all leveled out. It's been a long time waiting for this to happen. It's a beautiful English garden here. Wild. It's amazing what grows just in these little cracks in the concrete. So we have this. There's debris there. We have more here. Here. Hopefully we'll ask them to take this down a little bit. Just that section. We have more over here. It's pretty, isn't it? Outside the rubble. This is 1 year later. What the platform looks like now. I love doing these type of videos because you really see how much we've accomplished in 1 year. We tend to forget. Yeah, we just do one project after another. The next one comes. And actually the big tractor is here from Bernardo. So yet another project is going to be underway. Never stops. They're here, Aitor. They're here. Yep. You can see how it's changed. Some wildflowers are still here. You can see what I'd love to do this summer is to get all this dirt off the platform and make it just one clean platform like it is here. You can see all this is all clean. Our property now extends from here, it goes all the way over to there now. Next project with this machine will help us do is take this hill off a little bit so that you'll see this wall from the other side just like this. So it'll be like a floating platform.
They are arriving with the gate. This is the gate. See? Let's see. So the gate arrived. Yeah, we can say something.
Oh, it looks great. It looks great. We've been waiting for this for a number of years, so it's kind of like a official closure.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a nice entrance finally. For years we've been like opening this up manually and putting bricks.
We had about 3 weeks without, more, even like a month, without any machinery at the site. And today, Monday, May 12th, no, 11th, or whatever, it was just after Mother's Day. This rain, and we have a machine working on the land, and it's making a mess. Really not the ideal, but I understand also that Bernardo wants to finish the phase and move to other locations, but it's not our fault that the weather has been, since I think Saturday afternoon, like, I mean, we need the rain, but not when they need to work on the land. A little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. He's measuring the location where he's gonna put the hinges. They're like esse muro foi meio que destruído. This wall was a little bit destroyed when they were building the front stone wall, and Bernardo came today and he's gonna try to reconstruct the wall with the tractor. Let's see. I asked him to minimize damage on the ground, so you see what's gonna happen.
So what do you think?
It's amazing. Like you said, it's the vision come to life. And the crew, it's great.
Really professional. Yeah.
Very good job.
They're craftsmen, which is really nice to find in
That's
Portugal.
truly an artist. And I mean, they cut, they clean the floor, they remove debris, they leave everything clean. It's supposed to be. I mean, for some people it's just a gate. For us, it changed the way of experiencing our visits to the Quinta.
Yeah.
We learn how to appreciate smaller things.
It's like a milestone, right? I mean, because we bought this property and it was somebody else's, kind of concepts and neglect, and now we're kind of putting our touch on it, and yeah, it just makes it feel like it's ours, right? And safety and kind of the vision that we're looking for, the feel.
Yeah, and also
Right?
also makes you feel like we're moving forward.
Yeah.
When a lot of times you are stuck in the bureaucratic system of Portugal.
Yeah, there's been a lot of frustration with that. And on our videos, we wanted us to focus on the projects and
The positive
I
side.
think that's why we're filming and doing so many different projects, because we can control that. And this is just something that's beyond our skill, but it meets kind of our aesthetic, and it is our aesthetic. We designed it, and now it's real.
It became real.
What I love is, like, I mean, the walls may be a little bit taller than we had thought, but we like it. And we've kind of created a moment for people who walk by, or even us in the morning and are leaving. You can't see much, or you can see some, but then you've got this grand opening that you see everything. It's great. I don't want to say grand, but yeah, obviously we're enthusiastic.